The Luc from Mercury, a slip joint folder. Here we have just two of the available handle colours, the orange G10 and micarta. The Luc is a slip joint with half stop and Elmax blade. And coming in really close to look at the blade. Decorated pivot, the handle insert, lanyard as part of the back spring, the other side of the pivot, phosphor bronze washers. The G10 version weighing in at 74.4 grams and the micarta weighing in at 72.5 and a cutting edge of exactly 76 millimeters. And how sharp is the factory edge on this Mercury Luc? 286 grams.